and welcome to another Bitcoin latest update, guys. What's going on in the Bitcoin and what will be the next move of Bitcoin? Let's see. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe channel for more latest update video about the cryptocurrency market. And guys, just wait me. Let me show you a surprise news, guys. You can see that if you want to join my premium Telegram group, guys, so the link is available in the video description, guys. And guys, I gave a signal for BTC. You can see here, just look here, 1968 for long position, and here now see the current price 19 and 969, guys, and they already touched $20,000. So absolutely, if you want to join my premium signal group, so the link is available in the video description, guys. Now let's see the latest update of market, that what's going on in the market, and let's do a prediction for BTC, guys. And guys, you can see here now they already test a $20,000 and just right now, guys, but after testing $20,000 now it's make a reverse direction. So in this case, guys, possibilities that it again reach to 9,600, guys. It's my target. So if you want to do short BTC, so I think it will be good for you, guys. After testing the highest price of Bitcoin, now again they are dumping, guys, and possibilities that it falls to again a previous support level, guys. So if you want to do short Bitcoin, so I think it's currently it's the best time to do short. You can see they will falls to this point, and from this point, guys, from this support line, guys, again possibilities for Bitcoin to pump again, guys. By the way, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this update video. Everyone had make an entry, so best time for short position. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.